Now यहाँ पे left side. Now all of you left side please.
इधर राइट में बस सेंटर अंदर से थोड़ा
Now your left side.
सेंटर राइट में राइट सेंटर थैंक यू सीधा सीधा थिएटर 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 ऑडी में सीधा थिएटर थिएटर आज 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 सबको चलना है भाई बिल्कुल ही अंदर नहीं है अंदर 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 व्हाट्सएप कीजिए मुझे
ever so gorgeous Kareena Kapoor Khan. Welcome, so good to see you. And साथ में यहाँ पे I'd like to invite on stage someone who's revolutionized the Indian television space, ladies and gentlemen, and of course the movies, and she's been ruling the digital domain as well. Give it up for Ekta R. Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen, the producer Sahiba, she's here. And now, aane wala hai Singham again. So first of all, talk to us about this journey of yours, 2.5 decades as the leading lady of the Indian film industry.
I think I should leave that to all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think
Not even born.
Yeah, probably that. Hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komal ji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है, मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती, मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till I don't know, forever.
Forever, I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very very special to I think all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है, आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together, and whatever we've done, we've always been super successful, and I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, you know, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important, and I'm so happy that
this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So, you know, when you go to set and you challenge yourself that, okay, this is not something you've done. And you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I've never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And, you know, many people think कि इनको कॉमर्स से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है भाई, मुझे कॉमर्स से ही पढ़ी है. मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films. You know, so I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail. I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star, I mean, this is again something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Kareena. I used to see her, we used to live in the same building, she used to go for Christmas. She would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look, Acha, Kareena, she just took the lift. So I got to work with, you know, I mean, there is something about, there's a quality that stars possess, and I've experienced it personally. You know, and beyond that, you know, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And when Kareena is one of the best actors we have today. Her startup is screens, but her performances have ensured that, you know, 25 years, 50 years, an actor will always be alive. Stardom can, you know, fluctuate, but, you know, your talent will never die. And I mean, she is an absolute powerhouse.
Wow. The most credible superstar.
Going to be seen this jazz, or आप totally change हो चुके हो? No, I don't think so, because I think that was a completely different film, and also I think up to an actor to, you know, do different. It doesn't matter if you're playing the same authenticity of a religion. Like if I'm a Sikhni, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be Bhatinda very Sikhni. I should also be able to play the detective Jas Bhangra and still be different. So I think that's up to an actor to kind of, you know, showcase different parts. It's important. An actor's job actually comes into play when he's listening to a script in his living room or in his vanity van, wherever he chooses to listen or read his or her script. That is where a film is actually born and made. And that is the job of an actor. Beyond that, I think we have experts to do their job as well. And the audience comes in to watch a film. And if the film is, like I said, anything, however, but entertaining, but fun, or thrilling, or emotional, I think they're ready for it. And there's no better time than today.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get to see this.
I think needs some sort of motivation, and if it comes from another actor, then so be it.
Absolutely.
Mayor of Easttown, but this is not Mayor of Easttown. We have other family. This is adapted from that, or you know.